Good morning, guys. Yeah, look at the hair. You know, this haircut is not good because it's messy all the time. You always need to put some gel to make it nice, but by just like this, it's like this. Not good, mate. But it's okay, mate. This, like what I said, I'm always wearing a cap. Yeah, so it is now 4:20 and I'm going to work. Yeah, today I'll be just watching some YouTube and some, reply, and I'll take shower and going to work. Yeah. If you are working in the morning, especially here in Australia, it feels like, because we work here for, like me, I work from 6 o'clock until 2 o'clock. How many hours is that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. It's just like 8 hours. And the 30 minutes break. And it's busy in the morning. So it's like when you get out from work, it's really fast, really quick, mate. It's like you don't work because you still have a long day to do anything you want. After 2 o'clock, you can do anything you want. Yeah. Yeah, I remember before when I was working in the Philippines, I was living in Binangonan, Rizal, and then I am working in SM Mega Mall in Mandaluyong City, and the traveling time is maybe 1 hour without traffic. But with traffic, I make sure that I have a 3 hours allowance. Very much traffic is not common here because the bus they come on time, the train they come on time. Time is very important, and if you are working in a place like the very traffic place like Metro Manila, a lot of times, a lot of hours are being wasted for nothing in the traffic, mate. Yeah. Actually, I never been late at work. Yeah, since I came here in this place. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. How are you today? Yeah, we are going out, and the first stop will be the Western Union. Actually, there's no Western Union office here, but I'm going to the Australia Post Office because from there I can pick up the money that is sent to me by my friend from Canada. Yeah, because he borrowed money from me long time ago, and he just paid it last week, and I'm going to pick it up now. Okay, so I got the money from post office through Western Union, and yeah, very easy. You just need to fill up the Western Union form they have in the cashier, and then you just need to give it up to them and they will give you the money. Of course, you need the MTCN like always. Afternoon. That guy is funny. he tried to hide in the camera. Yeah. So now we are going to Salamander Shopping Center to deposit the money that I just take from the post office. Yeah, because I'm going to deposit this money because it's a lot, man. It's $600. So I'm going to deposit this to my savings account. Oh, I forgot. I realized that I can actually deposit the money to the post office going to the bank. Good afternoon. Yeah, I forgot that, man. I'm just having the regular tripod in this camera. It's easier, very comfortable, mate. Yeah, compared to the gimbal that I have. That's heavy, mate. A little complicated to use. Oh, there's water here. Okay, slowly, slowly, so that. Yeah. Nice. Water's coming from that side. Okay, so I have the money deposited to the bank, and the good thing is that you don't need to fill up anything in the bank. You just need to show them your ID or your debit card, and they will do the transaction. Very easy, very quick. So yeah, this is my lunch. This is sushi. Yeah, $10 from the Japanese, no, from the sushi shop somewhere there. And this one, and chicken coming from this one. Yeah, a total of $20 including this water. Expensive, man. Yeah, this is how nice is the weather today. Yeah, no people swimming this time. Oh, I saw there's one guy. Yeah, yeah. So basically, I'm just going to show you my bike. This is how it is now. Yeah, I removed the rack on the back because I'm not using that one, and basically I'm using only this one. Yeah, I think this is already the final. Yeah, the final rack that I have. Yeah, yeah, that's it. And you know how I put this? So basically I put this thing here that make it very sturdy. There is one what the hose clamp here, this one, and some zip tie. Yeah, and this is how it is inside. You know, this one I bought it from Walmart, $8. And that this is a drying mat. Yeah, this is actually a drying mat, and I stitch this like this, and I put this, and I put some sticker like this. Yeah, and it works like this now. Yeah, and this is where I put my camera, everything that I need for vlogging. And I already removed the mobile phone holder here. Yeah, everything will be here now. It is now, what time is it? I don't know, maybe 4:30, mate. Yeah, but it's almost dark already. What's that? A rain? No. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm using 3 camera: GoPro, my iPhone, and then the Canon M50. Maybe I am not going to use the Canon M50 anymore because it's very heavy, especially with the gimbal, and I'm always with my bike. I don't know, I think this GoPro is okay with the gimbal. Yeah, anyway, I don't know, the time now is already, I've been awake since 4 o'clock in the morning. I am day off today again. This is my second day off. Yesterday I went to, to pick up the money from Western Union, from the post office. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I was not expecting that money because that was borrowed long time ago. Yeah, if I remember, that guy borrowed money from me because he was in the Philippines during the time, and he is unable to use his Canadian ATM card in the Philippines. So what he did is he sent us a message and asking for to send them money, and I send. Yeah, and just now, yesterday I pick up the money from him. He paid already. Nice. That money is unexpected. The same like the tips that we got from work. It's good, you know. It's good feeling when there is some money that is like that you're not expecting. Yeah. Yeah, like what I've said, I've been awake since 4 o'clock in the morning because I'm used to do that. And the first thing I did was, yeah, my laundry outside there. I hope there will be no rain today because look outside is sunny. Outside is very blue, especially later. Sun is just rising. Yeah, nice. And we'll see you later.